welcome back to the Busy Bee Mum. Today we're going for a walk, aren't we?
Yeah! Well, you're actually videoing.
Yes, Eddie, I'm videoing. Yeah, it's a 4.2 kilometre easy walk to get us into walking. It's one of our New Year's resolutions as a family to go walking. And it's only a local one, and we'll take you on the trail.
Oh, it's gonna be that fun, isn't it?
You alright? Harry? You alright?
No.
Oh. Go on, go first.
I want to be in the sun. Hi, Mommy.
Hiya.
Pop up here somewhere.
There will be. Harry! Come on.
Going over your boots. But it's full of water, that well, it out.
Hey, Mummy.
So cutting the walk a bit short because it's absolutely chucking it down. Harry has got in a puddle. The puddle's gone over his wellies, so his pants are full of water. His wellies are full of water. And the boys have just taken a shortcut, which meant jumping over a stream, which I'm not doing. So I'm just currently walking to the entrance to where the road is to get back to the car. So yeah, so this was our first walk of 2022, and it kind of gone a bit wrong. Ooh, just get over this mud. Never seen so much mud in my life. Oh. Right, so sign off here and see you in the next one. Bye.